CBD oil is everywhere right now, but what actually is it? Is it cannabis? Is it legal in the UK? And why are so many people using it? CBD stands for cannabidiol, a natural compound found in hemp. Unlike THC, it doesn't get you high, which is why CBD products can be sold legally in the UK when they meet strict THC limits. Many people add CBD to their daily wellness routine to help support relaxation, sleep, and recovery, thanks to how it interacts with the body's endocannabinoid system. But here's the important part. Not all CBD oils are the same. Look for products that are lab-tested and clearly labeled so you know exactly what's inside. For example, SMOKO CBD is made in the UK, and you can view the independent lab test certificates directly on the SMOKO website for full transparency. Want to learn how to choose the right CBD oil? Check out the full guide linked below.